What's up, YouTube? We are back with the vibes. Got a Honda Pilot, it's a little beat up, but you know what we do, we sell as is. We just make sure the car's run and drive, get you from A to B. How it looks, we're not too concerned about it. We just want to make sure you can get around, go see your kids, go see your family, get to your job, all that good stuff, you know. The body work you can fix on your own. That's no biggie. Find your local body shop guy and you'll be all right. Right, check this out. We got 4-wheel drive. It's a Pilot, Honda, reliable. Let's take you inside. We got these seats right here. Not too dirty, but not too clean either. Right in the middle, we got your third row. That's 1, 2, 3 seats. Boom. Headline is a little low. These seats come right back up. Boom, and they recline. You can recline back a little further. Then that, take it to the front. Center console, steering wheel, beautiful Honda logo. All that space, like I said, not too dirty, not too clean. Right, boom, that's that right there. Let me close this door. Take you to the front. Let's get you to the front. We got manual seat controls. I ain't no car salesman, so I don't know how to talk too well on these videos, but we gotta try things we don't know how to do, so I'm doing my best. This is the Honda, we go over here. CD, AM, FM, pretty sure I got aux, because everything got aux. Then if you want to do the Bluetooth, you go to Target, or Target, some people might call it. Get that little connected, play your music. We got good tires, you see that tread on the tires? Boom. That's all around too. It's 4 good tires. Got decent headlights, as I said. Look, oh, it says 2022 inspect. You might have to go do that again. We lost focus. Boom, we're back. No edits, we're going just like that. Got the fog lights on the bottom. Take a look at the fog lights right there. Yeah, that's that. I don't really want to show you this thing again, but it's what it is. I don't know who had it, what they did with it. Probably hit a bus or something. But I just replaced the door. Ain't that bad, boy. We're not gonna make this video too long. I'm on Instagram as well. Let me open up the back for you. This works. Spare tire. These seats go down, you got 3 rows. Like I said, tidy up this headliner, and you'll be alright. Simple, plain, and put. I ain't really got too much to tell y'all. Give me a call, drop a comment. It's best that you DM me on Instagram. If you want to drop a comment, I'll send my